All right, here we go. We have our pieces cut out. I have a pipe cleaner. This isn't absolutely necessary, but you really just want it. So you know what? It is really necessary. I'm going to fold it in half and I'm going to shove it inside the opening of my pull stick, whatever you want to call it. And then I get my little beach sign. It has this opening. I'm going to shove my stick through it. And I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue to keep it still. I'm going to take my pink thread off. I didn't even use pink. How do I have pink? Oh, well. Then this we cut open during the stitch phase. We cut the top of it. I'm going to shove my pipe cleaners inside of here. Sorry, my baby wants up. He is not getting up clearly because I'm making a video right now. I'm going to shove them in however it is that you can get them in to make this a base. Open it up, shove your little sticky part in some. Use your hot glue gun. Shove it in. Shove some glue. Yeah, my 2-year-old is having a ball closing the dog in the closet or the office somewhere. The hot glue, squishy it all down. And you have your cute little beach sign. Thanks, guys.